Hello folks, so this review is about the impact range, the DeWalt. Now this is the model DCF 921. Specifically this model was released in 2021. It has like 3 years. Now one of the best thing of this impact range is that it's quite small. It has length about 125 millimeters. And the best thing about this impact is that it's quite powerful. So the fastening torque is around 406 Newton meters. And believe me, it's quite powerful. Obviously, this is the brushless model. It has 18 volts unit. Also, it's like brushless motors. And also, I can guarantee that has another feature that would help you and you would love it, is that the nut busting torque is 610 Newton meters. So within the fastening options, you get around 400 Newton meters. But when you unfastening or nut busting torque, you can get like 600 Newton meters. So it's quite powerful. Now, there are 3 models of this kind, DCF 921, which is now here, and 922 and 923. It's the same. The difference is with the hot ring. Now this is the half-inch. You can have like 3/8, and another option is you can have for the woodworking for your workshop. Now specifically this model 921 is designed for construction side. You may see there's an option when you choose the modes. This is for fastening, this is for getting construction sites, and this is the first and the second speed. Also, you have another options, like you can choose from LED light mode. This is the easy one, this is the hardest one, and this is the off. Obviously, it will work after you push the start button. So I'm usually using the first mode, which is very helpful. Also, I should mention you that you can use this impact if you can buy, like, I think it's around $5, this adapter. So this adapter is going to use with the hex mode. It just should be inserting here. You can use it with every bit if you want to, or you can use with an extender, and then you can access to all your projects wherever you want. You just use this adapter using the half-inch ring right here, and after that you can use it with the hex adapter. Now another option, you can use it with your woodworking projects. You can use those drills, and I do have some videos. You can use like the first and the second speed using those drills, even the maximum one, the 32 millimeters. So it's quite powerful. You can use this impact range. Now another options, also you can use some adapters using the hex adapter. Now you have, obviously you have 1.5 inch, which is here, or you can use a 1/4 and a 3/8 to use the adapter if you have some different projects. Also, there are some guys that using the drills to drill with metals. Now, what can I advise you? You can buy on Amazon or eBay some drills with the bits ending here, or you can use like adapter that looks like that. Yeah, and you just push it and insert it with a half-inch ring in here within your impact. So that's quite useful. Now also I should mention about the batteries, because the battery is very important using this range. Now I can use, you see this is the US version, 20 volts. Now the DeWalt this range impact is 18 volts. This is the European model. I know that DeWalt has like in North America and US and Mexico, and Europe you have UK, Germany, I know that the Czech Republic, and in Asia you have China. So this is the European version. Now, if you're going to use some batteries, for example, this one is in 1.5 ampere, the capacity of the battery. It should help for you using the hex adapters, using your screws, etc., etc. But if you do want to use it and to get the maximum torque from your impact range, you should use at least 5 amps, as you get the maximum torque of 610 Newton meters. So obviously I do advise you to buy at least 5 or 4 amps battery capacity and to get the maximum from your impact range from DeWalt. And obviously, if you're going to talk about battery, you should take thinking about charger for your battery. Now, this model is DCB 115. The capacity is 4 amps per hour. This is the European version, is 230 volts. And obviously, you can at least have like 3 or 4 amps. So my advice is to buy a quite powerful charger for your batteries. So you shouldn't wait like 2 hours, 3 hours. Now with this charger, you can wait like 1 hour and 50 minutes. And that's all. Yes, thank you guys.